right. So they got all this done yesterday. Now they are leveling the floor. Hola, amigos.
Hola.
Ah. Woo-wee. Se ve bien. Looks good. Oh. Splashed on me a little bit from the back of my legs. That's good. So they'll take these up. I'm sorry. These right here. This is how they're keeping level. And then they'll fill in the rest around the sides later. They're just making sure that everything's level here. So this plug-ins for the couch area. So we'll have some plug-ins, lamps on the floor. This one's obviously for the island. ¿Necesito más cemento?
Sí.
¿Cuántos?
No
No.
sé.
Oh, okay. Mañana maybe? Tal vez mañana? Okay. He was going slow motion on that one. We gotta level this out a little bit, but then we're done for the day, I believe. Good to go. We're gonna straighten this out. There's gonna be tile over it anyway, so.